Hello, in this video we'll together find out if it's possible to use VPN connections on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Okay, so the first step of the operation would be looking through the settings, and we can go to the connections tab. And here we can press the more connection settings, press VPN, and press the three dots in the upper right corner and press add VPN profile. So as you can see, it is possible to use the VPN on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. And in addition to that, you can use the any other third-party apps from the App Store to use the VPN function. So if you considered this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.